This is going to blow your mind. Did you know that your gut houses trillions of bacteria working tirelessly to keep you healthy? Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into a topic that's crucial for your overall well-being: gut health. A healthy gut is linked to everything from a strong immune system to better mental clarity. It's a complex ecosystem that plays a vital role in your overall health. Stay tuned as we uncover the 5 things you need to know for better gut health. Let's kick things off with the foundation of a healthy gut: your diet. You are what you eat, right? Well, that couldn't be truer when it comes to your gut. A balanced diet is like laying down the perfect welcome mat for those good gut bacteria. And when I say balanced, I'm talking about a colorful plate filled with whole, unprocessed foods. Think fruits, vegetables, whole grains, all those good things your mom always told you to eat. These foods are packed with fiber, which acts like a superfood for your gut bacteria. Fiber is like a gentle sweep for your digestive system, helping things move along smoothly. It adds bulk to your stool, preventing constipation, and promotes regular bowel movements. As fiber travels through your gut, it ferments and feeds the good bacteria, helping them thrive and multiply. This process produces short-chain fatty acids, which have a whole host of benefits for your gut and beyond. These short-chain fatty acids, like butyrate, act as fuel for the cells lining your gut, strengthening the gut barrier and reducing inflammation. So, how much fiber should you be aiming for? The general recommendation is around 25 to 30 grams per day for adults. Start by incorporating more fruits, vegetables, and whole grains into your meals. Swap out refined grains like white bread and pasta for whole grain alternatives. Remember, a happy gut starts with a healthy, fiber-rich diet. Now that we've covered the importance of a balanced diet, let's talk about 2 key players in the gut health game: probiotics and prebiotics. Think of probiotics as the friendly bacteria that reside in your gut. They're the good guys, working hard to keep your digestive system running smoothly. Probiotics help break down food, synthesize vitamins, and even play a role in your immune system. You can get probiotics from fermented foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. These foods are teeming with beneficial bacteria that can give your gut microbiome a healthy boost. But here's the catch: probiotics need to eat too, right? That's where prebiotics come in. Prebiotics are like the fuel that feeds the good bacteria in your gut, helping them thrive and multiply. Imagine prebiotics as tiny, indigestible fibers that travel through your digestive system untouched until they reach the large intestine. There, they act as food for the probiotics, promoting their growth and activity. Incorporating both probiotics and prebiotics into your diet is like setting up a thriving ecosystem in your gut. By including a variety of probiotic and prebiotic-rich foods in your diet, you're giving your gut microbiome the support it needs to function at its best. We've talked about the importance of a balanced diet and the power of probiotics and prebiotics. Now let's move on to another crucial aspect of gut health: hydration. You might be surprised to learn just how important water is for keeping your digestive system running smoothly. Think of it this way: your digestive system is like a complex plumbing system, and water is the lubricant that keeps everything flowing. When you're dehydrated, your body pulls water from your colon to maintain essential bodily functions. This can lead to constipation, making it difficult and uncomfortable to pass stool. On the other hand, staying properly hydrated helps soften stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Water also plays a vital role in the breakdown and absorption of nutrients from your food. When you're dehydrated, your body may not be able to efficiently extract all the good stuff from the food you eat, leading to nutrient deficiencies. Furthermore, Water helps maintain the delicate balance of bacteria in your gut. So, how much water should you be drinking? The general recommendation is 8 glasses a day, but individual needs may vary. Listen to your body and drink fluids throughout the day, especially during and after exercise. Remember, hydration is not just about quenching your thirst. It's about supporting your gut health and overall well-being. We've covered the importance of a balanced diet, probiotics and prebiotics, and hydration. Now, let's talk about another crucial aspect of gut health that often gets overlooked: exercise. You might be thinking, what does exercise have to do with my gut? Well, it turns out that physical activity has a profound impact on your digestive system. Exercise helps stimulate the muscles in your digestive tract, promoting what's called peristalsis. Peristalsis is the rhythmic contraction and relaxation of these muscles that propels food through your digestive system. Think of it like a gentle massage for your gut, helping things move along and preventing constipation. Regular exercise can also help reduce stress and improve blood flow to the digestive organs, further supporting optimal gut function. Studies have shown that physical activity can actually alter the composition of your gut microbiome, increasing the diversity and abundance of beneficial bacteria. This diverse gut microbiome is associated with a whole host of health benefits, including improved digestion, reduced inflammation, and a stronger immune system. The general recommendation is at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days of the week. Find an activity you enjoy and make it a part of your routine. By incorporating regular exercise into your lifestyle, you're not just improving your physical health, but also supporting a healthy and happy gut. We've talked about the importance of a balanced diet, probiotics and prebiotics, hydration, and exercise. Now, let's address another crucial aspect of gut health that often gets overlooked: stress management. The gut and brain are intricately connected through a complex network of nerves and hormones known as the gut-brain axis. This means that stress and anxiety can directly impact your gut health. When you're stressed, your body releases hormones like cortisol, which can wreak havoc on your digestive system. Cortisol can disrupt the balance of bacteria in your gut, increase inflammation, and even slow down digestion, leading to symptoms like bloating, gas, and constipation. So, what can you do to manage stress and protect your gut health? The good news is there are plenty of effective stress-reducing techniques you can incorporate into your daily life. Mindfulness practices like meditation and deep breathing can help calm your mind and reduce stress hormones. Exercise, as we discussed earlier, is also a fantastic stress reliever and can have a positive impact on your gut microbiome. Other helpful strategies include spending time in nature, connecting with loved ones, and getting enough sleep. By incorporating stress-reducing techniques into your routine, you can foster a more balanced gut-brain axis and promote optimal digestive health. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips. We're passionate about empowering you with the knowledge to take control of your health. Take care of your gut, and it will take care of you. See you in the next video.